In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make each haptic glove to connect to different local Wi-Fi networks, and also find out its IP address after uploading the change to the glove. So our goal here is to change the current Wi-Fi network, which is my router, to the Auto Studio's private network. So in order to do this, we need to download some things. First, we need to download the Visual Studio Code, and it's better to use Mac here. And then also download this repository. So both of these, the links for both will be listed in the description of this video. So you can find out the practical links later in the description. So after download the Visual Studio Code and download this repository by clicking download this directory as a zip folder. Here, it's still downloading. So we can extract it. So we will use this repository later. So after downloading the Visual Studio Code, we need to first install one extension. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. And in the sidebar, you can see there's an icon. When you click it, you need to download an extension called PlatformIO. This one, which has an alien icon, and you download it since I've already downloaded. So I no longer need to download it again. So after download this PlatformIO, you restart the Visual Studio Code. And then click this icon in the sidebar. So previously you've downloaded this repository, and we only need this folder. So expand this extracted one, and then you drag this folder to the sidebar. So initially, you don't know which file we're going to modify. So you click this icon to open the sidebar, and you click this src folder, and then you open this main.cpp. Let me hide this. And then you can see that the code has been opened here. You just comment out this local router network, and then activate this one and save it. And then before uploading this change to the glove, you need to use a USB cable to connect to the glove. And after connecting the glove with a USB cable, you can find out that there's a tiny icon in the footer, which is called PlatformIO upload, and you click it. So the code is started to be uploaded. And this normally takes some time to finish uploading. Sometimes you might encounter the error like this one during the uploading. So in this situation, you need to unplug the USB cable and plug it to the glove, the microcontroller of the glove again, and then upload it again. When you see connecting this string, it has huge possibility that this time the upload will succeed. And you will finally get this succeed information. And then you click this PlatformIO serial monitor, this icon, and then press only one of the button in the microcontroller, and you will get this setting up Wi-Fi, which means that the glove is seeking to connect to this Auto Studios network. And because I don't have, because right now I'm at home, so I don't have this Auto Studios network, so the glove never could find this network. And then I'll change to the glove to connect to my router, and that you see its IP address after uploading the change. Okay, so I also switch to, yeah, so as you can see that after changing the network to my router, then you can click, or without clicking this icon, to find out the latest IP address of the glove. So here we've got this IP address of the glove, and you can control the glove with this IP address. So that's it.